So now on to question 2a. We have to create an explicit formula so that Lieber knows how much his farm expands by every week. So we'll use a geometric sequence formula because when we divide term number 3 and term number 2, we get the common ratio of 1.5. When we do term number 2 and term number 1, divide them, we get 1.5, so that will be the common ratio and it will be equal to r. And the initial value in the sequence is 25. So a will be 25, r will be 1.5, and here's the sequence at the end. Okay, now moving on to b. We want to know how much he will expand his farm by only on the 12th week. So we'll make n is equal to 12 and we'll plug it into the formula that we just made here. So when we plug it in, and after doing the calculations, we will get 2,162.44. And he wants to know if he can plant 1,000 beetroot seeds on that week. And so we know that 100 beetroot seeds is equal to 301 meters of area space on the farm. Now to check if he can get 1,000 beetroot seeds, we'll have to multiply the area space by 10 and this by 10, the beetroot seeds by 10, and 1,000 beetroot seeds will be equal to 3,010 meters of area space. So Lieber won't be able to plant 1,000 beetroot seeds in that week because he only expanded the farm by 2,162.44, and 1,000 beetroot seeds is equal to 3,010 meters of space. So therefore he won't be able to plant 1,000 beetroot seeds. So now moving on to C. We have to know how much he will expand his farm by in total after the 12 weeks. And we need to know how many grams of watermelon seeds he can plant after those 12 weeks. So we'll use the sum of a geometric series formula, which is right here. And since we already know the values, n is equal to 12, a is equal to 25, and r is equal to 1.5, and all we have to do now is just plug them in. So after plugging them in right here, we will calculate it and get 6,437.31. So after doing 6,437.31, we know from the story that 100 grams of watermelon seeds takes up 20.5 meters of area space. So this is how much space he has right now, and this is how much 100 grams of watermelon seeds are. So after dividing it, we will find out, we will use the number from dividing both of them to multiply with 100 grams of seeds. So after dividing it, the area space that we have that he has after the 12 weeks by the amount 100 grams of watermelon seeds takes up, we will get 314. Then we use 100 grams of watermelon seeds and multiply by 314. We will get the final answer, 31,400. So 31,400 grams of watermelon seeds is how many he can plant after the 12 weeks on the farm.